Hi friends, great morning and welcome to Daily Analysis. Friends, as mentioned in Friday's video, I told we were expecting a sideways day. And this was almost a sideways day kind of thing where the price opened with a very big downside and it was sustaining and overall after that it recovered, right? And I have clearly told that there can be a support zone which is near to 6147 level, but in fact it took support near to the support 2 pivot support 2 itself. And I told that my main selling actually I was expecting below this zones, below 6147 zone. In fact, that didn't come, so the selling opportunity was not there. Even I have mentioned my main buying will start only above previous day's high, which was 6,403 and above, since there was a lot of resistance on, right? So majorly speaking, there was no much trading opportunity on that day, even though option sellers would have made some good money, especially selling put option and would have made money. But as per my analysis, there was no levels actually came, right? Now, let us see first today's analysis. First, we will check with Namex Crude. In daily candle, we can clearly see that it made, even though it was actually coming as an bearish trend, you can see one good candle formed, right? See what it was indicating from all the way, the market opened at 75.67 and it created a low from all the way from that level to till 77.06. It went up and near to the high, it closed, right? So it is giving us a signal that actually the trend likely to change, right? And we can see that it has exactly taken a support somewhere near to this zone. This zone I have mentioned actually 75.29, that zone. Almost near to that level it took, and today even opened with a bullish candle, but you can see at 20 EMA it took a resistance and slightly struggling there, right? So our trades will be depending upon the proper levels and the 30-minute chart. But as of now, what I am seeing is slightly the market is trying to recover, right? Crude is trying to recover. We will do analysis with now MCX crude. MCX crude also, it's clearly showing, even though from all the way from 6260 to 6153 it came down. From there all the way it recovered to 6318 level and near to the high it closed. So it is something like a rocket candle, which again giving us a signal that trend is likely to change, right? And you can see exactly at previous swing low it took a support 6161, this zone it took a support, right? And so this also I have mentioned that we should be cautious at this support zone, because if it's not breaking, then we should be ready to change the trend. And it is something like it's telling us that it is a trend reversal. Okay. But of course, we have a 20 EMA, which is near to 6371. We should be careful at that level. Okay. So now let us see with the 30-minute chart. Friends, 30-minute chart. First, we will see the CPR range. CPR range start from 6237 to 6278, right? 6237 to 6278, which is a wide CPR. So, indicating that it can be a sideways day, number one, right? And today is a Monday. Again, Monday, normally we have seen that it can be a sideways day, right? Now, after that, we will see what are the important levels. Number one, see, it is somewhere struggling near to our major one supply demand zone, which is 6303 level, right? Maybe somewhere, even if it breaks this previous day's high, which is 6323, we have a weekly pivot here, right? So if at all, if it going here, somewhere it can take a resistance this zone and it can come down, right? If it coming down, then it can sustain either at 6278 or 6257 level, which is middle CPR range, right? And you can see this middle CPR is almost near to this zone. This is a turning point zone. You can see here the price was struggling this point, right? The moment it broke, there was a selling pressure, right? The moment it broke, there was a buying pressure. So this is a turning point. This was a turning point, and there we have a middle CPR range, right? 6258 level. So if the price now going up, somewhere at 6343 level, it's likely to take a resistance, or maybe 6364 at the maximum. From there, it can come down again till somewhere 6277 or 6258. That's what I'm expecting, right? Major buying, I am expecting only above 6382 level, 6382 or this high, 6403 level. This zone, this was a, once upon time, it was a supply zone, and this was our swing high, 6404 level. So somewhere the price breaking this with a strong candle will actually start a bullish trend. Otherwise, it can be a sideways trend, right? Similar way, in case if the CPR breaks and if the price comes down, we have support at 6208, and we have a major support which will, in case if the price comes down near to previous day's low, which is around 6152, this level, it will take a support, right? Since it's a sideways, if at all the price now started coming down, then it may take a support somewhere near to 6155, 6151 level, or we have a supply zone here, 6147 level. So anywhere near to this zone, it can take a support. And again, it can recover, go and trade near to a CPR range. That's what likely to happen. Major bearish trend will start below 6147 level. If we get an elephant candle or rocket candle, which we discussed during our weekly webinar, then those type of candle happens here, then we have a major selling will happen, which will come up to 6070 level, 6071 level, then 6019 level. These are the major levels in the downside, right? But most probably it is likely to be a sideways there. That's what I am expecting. We will check with NYMEX Crude 30-minute chart also. NYMEX Crude 30-minute chart, you can see morning when it opened with a bullish candle, it broke previous day's high. It went near to the weekly pivot level. From there, it took a resistance and came exactly near to the pivot level, and again start trying to go up. If at all, if it going up somewhere here, again, it can take a resistance, right? And again, it can come down. So that's what likely to happen, since it's a sideways day and it's being a Monday and wide CPR, right? So friends, these are my personal views and personal studies. So I never guarantee you any success or profit from these views. Make sure you do your own analysis before taking any trades, and maintain proper risk reward ratio, right? Friends, this coming Thursday, we have scheduled a masterclass called Price Action Secret, where I'm going to teach you more in detail about price action, important levels in a chart, how support and resistance work, what is the psychology behind that, which are the important candles, and many things I'm going to discuss during this webinar. And also, Friday, we will have Superpower Trader, and both the webinar will start at 7:30 p.m. in the evening, and 9:30 p.m. it will end. I want all you to register for the masterclass. Link to register for the masterclass is there in the description. So click on the link and register for the masterclass. I have one more request. If you're watching first time my channel, make sure you subscribe the channel and hit on the like button. Comment in the comment box what are the more information you want from this daily analysis. And also share this video with your other trading friends. So thank you very much. Wishing you all a very happy and successful trading. Thank you.